Applying master clip effects. You can also apply effects to clips in the project panel. You use the same visual effects and work with them in the same way. Clips in the project panel are called master clips, and effects applied to them are called master clip effects. With master clip effects, any instance of a clip or part of a clip you add to a sequence will inherit the effects you have applied. You can even apply master clip effects after adding clips to sequences, and the sequences will update. A powerful way to make adjustments to multiple clip segments in a single step. Let's add a master clip effect now. Open the sequence 04 Master Clip Effects. This has one clip, Laura 02, edited 5 times into the same sequence. The copies of the clip are separated by a number of other similar shots. Position the timeline panel playhead somewhere over the first instance of the Laura 02 clip. We want to open this sequence clip's original master clip in the source monitor so we can apply an effect to it. It is no good double-clicking the clip in the sequence because it will open that instance. Select the clip and press the F key. This is the shortcut for Match Frame, which opens the original master clip in the source monitor at the frame that is displayed in the program monitor. This is a useful shortcut to remember, as you will often want to check master clips when reviewing sequences, either to see a version of a clip without effects applied or to check for an alternative content. You now have the same clip open in the source monitor, the master clip, and displayed in the program monitor, the sequence segment, so you can see how the changes affect the sequence as you apply them. In the Effects panel, type 100 in the search box to quickly locate the Lumetri Look Effect preset named Cinespace 100. Drag the Cinespace 100 effect into the source monitor. This applies the effect to the master clip. Click the source monitor to make sure it is the active panel. Then open the Effect Controls panel to see the effect options. Because you applied the effect to the clip in the source monitor and then selected the source monitor to make it active, the Effect Controls panel shows the effect applied to the master clip, rather than the instance in the sequence. This is a Lumetri color effect, and you'll be learning a lot more about these effects in Lesson 13, applying color correction and grading. Because the effect has been applied to the master clip, every instance of the clip in the sequence shows the results. Play the sequence to see that the effect is applied to every copy of the Laura 02 clip. You can tell a master clip effect is applied to a clip because the FX badge has a red underline. The result of the effect is displayed in the source monitor and the program monitor because sequence clips inherit their master clip effects dynamically. From now on, anytime you use this clip or part of it in a sequence, Premiere Pro will include the effect. However, while the master clip has the effect applied, none of the timeline instances of the clip, the sequence clips, has the effect applied. Single-click any of the sequence instances of the Laura 02 clip on the timeline to select it. And look in the Effect Controls panel. No Lumetri color effect, just the usual fixed effects. At the top of the Effect Controls panel, there are 2 tabs. The tab on the left shows the name of the master clip, Master Laura 02. The tab on the right shows the name of the sequence followed by the name of the sequence clip, 04 Master Clip Effects Laura 02. Because you selected the clip in the sequence, the tab on the right is highlighted in blue, showing that you are working on that instance of the clip. There is no Lumetri color effect displayed because you have not applied the effect to the timeline instance of the clip. In the Effect Controls panel, click the tab at the top that shows the master clip name. Now you will see the master clip effect options. Experiment with the controls for the Lumetri color effect and then play the sequence. You will see the changes are applied to every instance of the clip.